Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of our 2535 6th Gen Camaro front sway bar. This heavy-duty tubular sway bar features heavy wall construction, 1.25 inch diameter. It's 3-position adjustable, so you can set the oversteer or understeer tendencies of your 6th Gen, and it's actually custom bent to clear all of the problem areas underneath the oil pan of the 6th Gen. So clearance is great. It comes with the bushings and then optional end links. You can add our aftermarket end links, or you can reuse your factory end links. All of this works together to make your 6th Gen corner flatter and handle better. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.